Lady.
Nyandarua. Kamuhutire. Nyandarua. Nyandarua. Gaine mwega. Na hindi ciothe. Thank you so much, Your Excellency, the Deputy President Rigiji, my bishop and my neighbor, Idwa Alvin, Mama Alvin, na family yanyu yothe. Agenere mukire guku gwitu. Utikorwo na riwo oguo ona ikaria guku. Ni ndire na maingi njitagwo Muthoni wa kirumba kana baby top. Njugire umuthi ndiguthie wira tondu muthuri uyu ni murata witu, ni murata wakwa na ni wa guku gwitu mucii, na ndauga nigetha njuke muthenya umuthi tucakaye mutumia uyu. Ni ndagire na ihinda ria kumumenya na gucemania nake ena hinya ona atakuigua wega, koguo ithu turauga ahuruke uhoro. Koguo bishop witu Kimaitu ahuruke uhoro. Arari single mother no ndirona ta ndorete kumbuka. Oguo hoye muno ingikiona mundu ni ndire guikagiria kanyamu. Mwana single mother ndariraragira na ndakihika. Rigiji araire tugia twana tuingi tutikahenio ni athungu uria mahenirio makigia twiri, na ndirakiriwo tondu tukiri ogu kuri kurathi atia. Koguo ndugukorwo kihuta muno. Ngai murathime muno Nyandarua na tuthie na mbere na kunyitirira thirikari na makiria Rigiji witu guku gutinywa njohi muno, na ni njuse ni taitu ni uguo ona gavana witu. Koguo guku no kurorerwo waru citu irorwo wega, barabara citu ithondekwo ni bandirisha itu itiguo iria ritu rihote kuumirio, tukareherwo bataraitha itu ndikarehwo wera twaritwo na kuria, na tondu mutongoria witu ehani njuni aguturora muno na ni awe Nyandarua tutire itheru. Koguo ni njui maundu maitu ni magukorwo me mega. Ndikwenda kwaria muno, ni ngatho muno. God bless you so much. Asante sana.
Thank you. Muhoreirwo herwega Muthoni wa kirumba. Ona wira mwega maraturutire gututangathira igongona riri kumaria maitu akuire. Ngai witu amurathime muno. All media houses, you are so good to us. Guku kwina investors aige marugamite na family ino na ndingihota gutambura othe. Ni ndrona Petans driving school, Ashuma refrigerators, ni ndrona my friend haha na ndirarigwo no kumarugamirira. But allow me to invite a great woman of this nation, Dama wa Dama Mobile. Okay, represent all investors. God bless you, Dama. For a minute, as I'm winding up, you represent all the investors. Arama supported this great event. Begin makofi anapokuja. Rohe. Roke. Dani arakinya. Asante Dama.
Thank you so much, Sir James, His Excellency the Deputy President of Kenya, the clergy, our leaders, distinguished guests, our fellow mourners, family and friends. Good afternoon. Dehaha Gishakayana, our bishop, the Mono bishop, good Mamu Anyu, Yaku Meredia, to have Meredia, Yaku Meredia, Aquahinia, Na Legiona Mohua Biashara, the Kiohana Tamohua Biashara, Hanata Dama Mobile Spares, they have Oko Meredia, Giro Gamirera, my fellow investors. Thank you so much. To our Deputy President, we are behind you in the fight against illicit brews. Thank you, Governor Itoa Nyandarua County. We are working 2 weeks ago. Na tukiona rola hurana najo isijoru siajuragani. Thank you so much and God bless you.
Muhoreirwo herwega. Kwesiria amurage wa modern furniture ni mwigwo mu represented wega. Ona Daniel ni uramenya we investor na ikuru na ndio waigwa very presented. Thank you very much. Ngaya bora thime muno ndio ina tribute area totally turahota kunyita son ya Bishop JJ Ogwetwa Alvin na haria turi munyitira no haria ariria tondu ekuria UK. Kogo tuikara tuholdete until riria turi munyita. But for now jitikiria inie tere haha kigongona ine giki niguo jitikiria kanitha na niguria our own Reverend Mureithi and Reverend Mwaki Zakayo okiotambure Reverend aramekuo onyitire Bishop Mutheo geni aturehere Bishop kigongona ine, and that is done. God bless you. Uriai Reverend Mwaki Zakayo. God bless you.
Thank thank you. Sir James, Kayaro Kuladi Manetodo Guato Tuaribia. Your Excellency, Deputy President, Legade, Wangashagua, my dad, Todo Noaguito, Otoreda Quere, Doitora, the team of clergy, to get to the Archbishop, Bishop, all the Moki together to Nitile, or Royal Negatin Wokinya, with the Yam about Modi, and my Bishop, Dr. J.J. Getahi. Nashika all the priesthood kandidato rune kwa bakunyita mweke odi mucokeria gatho nira mwiruteire na andu ari othe mokite nigetha tuomboreze hamwe. Bwana asifiwe. Mwathani arogocwo. Bwana asifiwe. Kwa marĩtwa njĩtagwo Reverend Mwangi Zakayo na ndungatĩra na kanitha wa priesthood mwena wa Kiambu rungu rwa ndagĩtarĩ Dr. Bishop J.J. Getahi, na koguo ngĩrũgama haha ngoya mweke ũyũ on behalf ya kanitha wothe wa priesthood. Okay, ninajulishwa kwamba Alvin Toro ni thimũ-inĩ na nĩekwenda kũheana tribute nĩ tondũ wa cũcũ wao. Koguo tu tafadhali kwa heshima na wakati tafadhali uria winayo ni atwikirire nigetha tucoke tuthi na mbere. Wale ambao na seza hiyo kwa simu tafadhali waiweke kwa screen ama kwa mic tafadhali. Tunapoendelea kufanya hivyo,
unanisikia?
Ya, tunakusikia. Karibu sana Alvin, utoe tribute yako siku ya leo.
Hello.
Ongea.
So all protocols observed. I am Alvin Getahi. I am a footballer in the UK. I am an artist. And most of all today, I am a grandson. And Shosho alikuwa a very strong woman. Anyone who knows her, alikuwa anajua Shosho hakuwa jokes at all. Like I said in my last tribute on the memorial, Shosho was a very alikuwa mentor, alikuwa anatuguide and alikuwa anatupenda sana. And anything that kitu yenye alikuwa ana stand for sana, what she stood for so much was family na loyalty. And today I want to leave you with a word from Ecclesiastes chapter 7 verse 4. Na hii Shosho ndo alikuwa ananiambia. And it says, a wise man thinks about death, but a fool thinks only about having a good time. Nitairudia Ecclesiastes chapter 7 verse 4. A wise man thinks about death, but a fool only thinks about having a good time. So, what I get from this word, then nataka ku encourage everyone, and from my siblings, Kina Lindsay, JJ, Bray, to my dad and mom, to my cousins, Akina Ndongo, Akina Bobo, Akina Masharia. Sisi wote tuko connected na Shosho in our own way. Na kitu moja about Shosho ni sisi wote tunajua Shosho was not afraid of death. Shosho alikuwa, and the only way to live a fruitful life is being courageous in death. Shosho was very courageous. Umesikia stories zenye Mungu ametupea kwa tribute yake, ilikuwa about fighting. Now also she was a fighter from the word go. Shosho alikuwa anapenda na machoma sana. So kila mtu akikula na machoma always think about Shosho, kwa sababu hata bado meno zake zilikuwa sawa sana. She was very healthy, very strong. So let's be courageous in death. In anything you do, think about death, because we should be wise people like Shosho. She taught us that hivyo ndo tunafaa kumove. Ukifikiria kuhusu death, utafikiria kuhusu watu wenu. Nilikuwa na kaneyeye hapo kila time. Tunapiga masimu karibu 20 people every day, anataka kujua kila mtu anaendeleaje, kila mtu amefikisha wapi mambo fulani. Mtu amesleki anakuambia hapana, kuna kuslack, you need to stand out and do something, because she always made decisions quickly, which is another thing in alifunza. Decision making is all about, life is all about decision making. Kwa hivyo kama kuna kitu unaendeleza, take it from Shosho. Shosho won. Shosho can make decisions. She was not afraid of making a mistake. Ali embrace everything that life ilimpatia. And as you can see, sisi wote pamoja hapa wenye tuko kwa burial na funeral ya Shosho, she has won. Hata mimi, I'm shocked. I didn't expect this for her, but I'm still shocked that tuko na prominent people wenye alikuwa yeye mwenyewe anapenda, alikuwa anataka tuweke inoro, tunatoa na cartoon, tunatoa na YouTube, ndio tumwekee inoro. I watch the same people who are showing up to her funeral. So that's a win for according to me, that's a win. And let's again, a wise person thinks about death, but a fool only thinks about having a good time.
Tupigie makofi mazuri. Thank you Alvin. Amekuwa strong enough kusoma tribute yake na mahali alipo Mungu akampatia nguvu, kwa sababu tunajua kwamba ana follow kutoka kwa internet ama kwa